I am a caveman, and I speak poorly. I explain complex things so simple, even confused squirrel understand. Today topic is danger of 401k withdrawal. Listen closely, modern tribe, because one wrong move can burn retirement faster than campfire eats. People think 401k withdrawal is free money. It is not. It is delayed trap with teeth. Taxes bite, penalties bite, future you cries. I watched tribe elder pull money early, buy shiny truck, then beg healer when winter came hungry. Here danger one. When you withdraw early, government gets angry. They take big slice before you blink. That missing money never grows again. I invented compounding before humans invented calendars. Stopping growth early is like killing goose before eggs appear. Here danger two. Taxes surprise people like cold water shower. Withdrawals add to income. More income means higher tax. Tribe chief sees you richer, demands more meat. Many elders forget this, celebrate check, then cry at tax time later loudly. Here danger three. Early withdrawals can trigger penalties, extra punishment for impatience. You worked decades. Why hand money back? I saw neighbor retiree pull funds at 59, lose thousands, then ask why account suddenly felt much smaller than expected. Even worse, withdrawals break future security. That money supposed to feed older you. Instead, it feeds today cravings. In my tribe, hunters ate seed grain early. Next season, famine came. Same story. New clothes, less fur, and cold nights arrived. Now solution time. First, ask right questions before touching 401k. Do I truly need this money? Is this emergency or boredom? What tax will I pay? What penalty applies? Asking saves more money than smartest investment trick I ever invented. Alternative 1. Delay withdrawal if possible. Find other sources first. Part-time work, cutting, spending, selling unused stuff. One elder sold second car, kept retirement growing. He complained, less later. Money left invested, keeps working silently, faithfully, patiently for you. Alternative 2. If emergency real, take smallest amount possible. Not feast, just survival. I watched elder take full bag when only one bone needed. Later, he starved. Small withdrawal hurts less, taxes lower, future damage smaller. Precision beats panic always. Alternative 3. Borrowing may be safer than withdrawing. Loans can be repaid. Withdrawals vanish forever. One worker borrowed carefully, paid himself back, kept retirement intact. Another withdrew, bought boat, sold boat later, still lost decades of growth sadly and regretfully. Before acting, ask advisor or trusted guide. Not loud salesman. Ask about taxes, penalties, long-term impact. I avoided many traps by asking quiet, wise elder. Questions, slow decisions. Slow decisions protect wealth better than speed ever will for retirees. Remember, 401k is future paycheck, not piggy bank. Treat it with respect. I guarded food stores fiercely. Others laughed. Winter proved me right. Money meant for later must stay later unless survival truly demands sacrifice today from you and family. Many people regret early withdrawals deeply. I hear stories constantly. Lost growth, higher taxes, stress later. One elder told me biggest mistake was impatience at 60. He wished someone scared him harder earlier. I am scaring you now, intentionally today. If you plan wisely, you win. Keep money growing. Use other tools first. Ask questions. Move slowly. I built wealth by patience. I invested before humans learned to write. Rushing ruins more retirements than bad markets ever could alone combined. Tomorrow I explain even more dangerous money mistakes, so stay near fire. Learn before pain teaches you. Now you careful. You watch, you subscribe. We are both happy. Remember, knowledge protects retirement better than strength ever will for modern elders.